Hey guys, how are you? Anatala from Audio Direct, and once again we have another premier service customer in this beautiful Audi Q5, actually 3.2 Quattro, fully loaded. Really like these cars. These cars are just like the perfect Dubai vehicle. Not too big, not too small. You feel safe, compact. It's a Quattro, so it drives, handles really well. And this particular one, really nice, high spec. So I know we do car reviews and sales on our sister company, Auto Emotional, excuse me. But on this particular vehicle, we've grabbed it off the owner. He is off on holiday, and we're going to transform this rather dated MMI interface from Audi to something rather special, the 10.25-inch Android screen. And it's a very complicated system, this MMI system, and we have to make sure that we get the correct head unit, the correct CAN bus cables to use for the steering controls for the this vehicle does actually have a factory rear camera as well, and we always give the customer the option, because when we upgrade the rear camera, obviously this screen is of a very particular size. The 10.25-inch then is going to be huge, and it gets pixelated. You know, you're taking an original source and it's going to be stretched, doubled in fact. So we always give the option to upgrade to one of our HD cameras, so it means you get a crystal clear reversing image as well. But Premier service really kicking off with Audio Direct, pick up, drop off, do the work, you know, the whole works. So thanks for staying tuned, and we will keep you up to date on the build of this Audi Q5 from Audio Direct.